This is Slim Slady. Eventually this is going to be on TikTok and my YouTube channel. Just giving you guys content of how this town is. Don't mind the rain and everything, but I might get rain on my lens, but my phone's waterproof, hopefully. I just want to give you guys content, so trying to trying to catch all the fireworks, and I think the lightning's part of fireworks. There's more lightning than usual. Even though it's frickin' 4th of July and it's still like it's lightning out. Does that mean bad sign? Let me know. Drop a comment if you know if lightning is the same as a firework. Drop a comment if you guys know what the answer really is. I'll be looking at my comments for a week at least, so I can catch all of them. Don't mind the pitch black and everything and the bumps. I tried to it's really bumpy in this road. Well, it's definitely crazy lightning out there. Like I said. Give a like and drop a comment if you know if lightning is the same as a firework.